Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin by standing 5 feet from the board and surveying your space. Divide the board into 3 sections for outline, details, and examples. Write headings in 2-inch tall letters so students in the back can read them. Use 2 markers, one black for main text and one red for emphasis. Cap markers immediately after use to avoid stains and drying. Leave a 1-foot margin at the top for titles and a 1-foot margin at the right for quick notes. When presenting, speak facing the room and not the board while writing. Write brief phrases and avoid full sentences to keep pace with your talk. Write 1 line at a time and pause 2 to 3 seconds so students can copy. Use arrows and underlines to show relationships and keep them no thicker than 3.5 millimeters for clarity. Point to any newly written line with your hand rather than your marker to maintain eye contact. Engage students by asking one focused question every 5 minutes during the demo. Invite a student to come up and write a short 3 to 5 word example on the board. When a student writes, validate their answer and correct gently without erasing their contribution. Use a 30-second recap at the end to summarize the 3 main points on the board. Finally, clean only used sections and replace caps on markers before leaving the room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.